What the heck is happening in the real estate market? Here's what we're seeing. Supply is growing fast, so there's a lot of new homes on the market and some are staying on the market longer. Demand is weakening, so buyers are leaving the market and renting instead of buying. Sales volumes are declining, so people are holding and wanting to see what's going to happen. More asking prices are being lowered. I will add on that we're only seeing that for homes that were overpriced or haven't been properly prepared and marketed. We're seeing listing cancellations and expirations starting to rise as well. Demand is headed downward while supply is moving higher at an unusual rate. The sales prices show no sign of the current rebalance in the market, which is normal. If you're looking for sales prices to take a dive before you buy, you may be waiting for a while. Sales prices are a trailing indicator that can take up to 12 months to react to changes in supply and demand. However, with the current pace of changes in supply and demand, it's possible that sales prices will react in a shorter time scale. Here in Arizona, we normally see weak sales during the third quarter because the luxury market tends to slow down during that time. Between late October and mid-March, we saw a downward trend in supply. This has completely changed direction over the past 6 weeks, and active listing counts are up more than 32% in a single month. If this trend continues for several months, the market dynamics will change significantly. The increase in supply we're seeing is caused by a combination of factors. First, we're seeing more new listings arrive, possibly because people who have made large, unrealized profits cash out while the going is good. Secondly, we're seeing a significant drop in demand as a sudden jump in interest rates and prices discourage new buyers from deciding to enter the market now. The overall effect is a major cooling event, turning a hot housing market into one that still favors sellers for now, but if supply continues to increase, as looks very likely at this point, we could quickly find ourselves with as many sellers as buyers, which would be considered a balanced market, which is okay. Make no mistake, closed prices will continue to rise for some time. They're a trailing indicator and will only stop rising long after the market has cooled down. But this reflects a huge imbalance between supply and demand that existed 2 months ago. The imbalance is much smaller today and is shrinking noticeably with every passing day. Is it still a good time to buy? If you can afford your monthly payment, then yes. Rates are higher and your payment will be too, but prices are projected to continue rising through this year. With some buyers deciding to rent instead, we've renewed upward pressure on rent prices. Is it still a good time to sell? Yes, we're still in a seller's market where many homes are getting more than one offer on average going under contract within 9 days, which is only slightly up from the peak of the craziness. That's all for now. I'm Jessica Sanchez, Phoenix Realtor. For all things Phoenix and real estate, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a beat.